Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV, Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV, níbi wọ́n ti ń dábì ẹ̀dùn tí wọ́n ń rọ̀ bí òwú. Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV, láti ń gbóhùn sáfẹ́fẹ́, láti ń dábì ẹ̀dùn tá ń rọ̀ bí òwú. Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV, Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV, ọgbọ́n ń bẹ, òye ń bẹ, ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lóríṣiríṣi ní Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV. Ẹ máa wò ó, ẹ máa gbọ́.
Mo kí gbogbo ojú tó wò mí káàkiri ayé, mo kí wa lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin lọ́mọdé lágbà nínú ilé yìí, mo kí wa pa kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Àsìkò bójú ọjọ́ ti rí adé ọdún bí bọ́ọ̀ ló ti rí lọ́dọ̀ ti yín. Ẹ kú àárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ kú bó ti lọ, ẹ kú gbogbo bó ti ṣe jọ́mjọ́m lọ́dọ̀ ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Ojúmọ́ ire, ojúmọ́ ayọ̀ náà ló mọ́ wa o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó lọ ọ náà lẹ já sí lórí ìkànnì bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV, BGI TV, látẹnu bàbá Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ fúnra rẹ̀ náà ni. Ẹ wá kan fìdílé tàbí kẹ fìdílé kan kẹjá jọjọ gbádùn ètò ọ̀rọ̀ tó lọ tòórọ̀ yìí tá a gbé dé. Ọ̀rọ̀ tòórọ̀ yìí ọ̀rọ̀ tí a fẹ́ bá gbogbo àwa Yorùbá sọ ni. Gbogbo Yorùbá ló ní. A fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa jókòó kájọ ṣàpérò, kájọ bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀, kájọ pé ìjọba Nàìjíríà àti ìjọba Áfíríkà generally, ká fẹjọ́ kàsùnkà, ká yọ ìpè lójú báyìí, ká fi hàn ojú kójú lè mọ̀ pé nǹkan táwọn ṣe ò dáa. Ẹ̀wù bọ́rọ̀ wa ti ń lọ ní Áfíríkà. Oríṣiríṣi proof ní àwọn òyìnbó aláwọ̀ funfun ni wọ́n ti fi hàn wá wípé ẹrú làwọn wá kó àwọn Áfíríkà, àbí àwọn rí wa bí ẹrú. Tó bá ti rí ẹnìkan tó ti dìde nínú wa, tó ti gbéná wojú ẹkùn wọn, bí wọ́n ṣe tètè máa pákó lọ́nà ló máa wá. Wọ́n á wá ṣe àdáparọ́ kan, wọ́n á lọ hun àdáparọ́ kan, wọ́n á hun mọ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Táwọn aráàlú náà bá wá ṣọ́ra, lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ wọ́n á ti gba tán sọ yẹn, wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa fi ṣe wà o. Wọ́n á wá máa dúbà òlẹ̀ nítọ̀ ṣe máa kó lórí oyè. Tí wọ́n bá ti parọ́ yẹn mọ́ pán, táràlú náà bá ti gbà sí wọn lẹ́nu, okùn kan máa plan. Wọ́n á wá máa ṣe bí ìpamọ́ fẹ́ gbèjà aráàlú títí tí wọ́n máa fi pa ẹni yẹn. Ìgbọ́n bá pátán lójú aráàlú máa là. Láráàlú máa wá wò pé wọ́n ti ṣàìdá fáwọn. Ní tí mo sọ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sí Muammar Gaddafi ní Libya. Arákùnrin yẹn náà dìde, ó sọ pé àfi kí ìlú Áfíríkà ò dáa, kí tí ẹ ṣèlú ti ẹnìkan, kí gbogbo Áfíríkà ò dáa. Oríṣiríṣi tún ló pa nínú ìlú ẹ̀, bí ó jẹ́ kí àwọn aláboyún pátápátá gbogbo ẹlẹ́bọ̀ tó bá ti lóyún nílùú yẹn, láti ìgbà tó ti lóyún tó máa fi bímọ, ìjọba ló ní responsibility. Àwọn ọmọ school ó níye tó san fún wọn salary títí dọ́ Maya institution. Téèyàn bá sick ọ̀fẹ́ ló máa treat ẹ̀. Ó tún wá bù ṣe gbàdá, ó ní common currency ní Nàìjíríà ní Áfíríkà máa lò, ó pè ní Afrique. Gbogbo àwọn wà tó wù yìí ó ń bí àwọn West nínú. Wọ́n plan fún Muammar Gaddafi, wọ́n parọ́ mọ́. Àfìgbà tí wọ́n mú tí wọ́n padà nù, wọ́n pa tán ojú ọmọ Libya wà là. Thomas Sankara ní Burkina Faso, wọ́n ṣe the same thing fún. Oríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀. Now there is this man again tó tún dé sí the same Burkina Faso tó gbóná wojú ẹkùn wọn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Àwọn West, France ló kọ́kọ́ face gbogbo àwọn atrocities tí France ń commit nílùú wọn, ó kọ́kọ́ face ẹ̀ out. Nígbà tẹ́lẹ̀ fún country kan ní independent tó jẹ́ central bank wọn ọ̀dọ̀ yín ló wà ní France. Ẹ̀yin lẹ determine budget wọn lọ́dún, owó wọn tí wọ́n pa wọlé nílùú wọn ọ̀dọ̀ yín náà kó sí, ẹ̀dẹ̀lẹ́ fún wọn ní independent. Iye tó bá wù yín lẹ máa release fún wọn lọ́dún. Àtoríṣiríṣi atrocities bẹ́ẹ̀. This man became their president not even up to 2 years. Burkina Faso ti change drastically. A lot of things the man to change. west ti wá wọ́nà gbogbo ọ̀nà tó wá yà mí lẹ́nu ni pé kí ni ta Amẹ́ríkà ń bẹ̀, kí ló kan Amẹ́ríkà ń bẹ̀? àìmọye coup l'Amẹ́ríkà ti plan against máa ìtàn ti fẹ́ padà nù. Definitely all these western countries ni wọ́n live parasitic life látara Africa. Tó wá tì mí lójú nípa àwọn tó jó lórí wa láfíríkà, gbogbo wọn pátápátá 90% wọn ni ò ní rònú, ni wọn ní plan fáwọn ọmọ ìlú, ni wọn ní plan fún ìlú tí wọ́n ń ṣo lórí sí báwo nílùú yẹn ṣe fẹ́ dáa. Ohun tó kàn wọ́n ni báwo làwọn àtàwọn fámìlì wọn ṣe máa wà òkè. Kò yẹ kó kó African leader kan tí ò ní liaise pẹ̀lú Ibrahim Traore lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Gbogbo tútọ́ ọmọkùnrin yẹn pa gbogbo àlà ń rí. Kódà máa yẹn jẹ́ ká ó tú àṣírí débi wípé a padà mọ̀ páwọn Fúlàní tí wọ́n ń pa wá pàkúpa yìí àwọn Americans kankan ló wà lẹ́yìn wọn. Bí tí mò ń lọ gangan nìyẹn láàárọ̀ yìí. Gbogbo tú tí wọ́n ń pa yìí táwọn Fúlàní ń pa yìí wàláì kì í ṣàwọn náà ṣe, ìránṣẹ́ àwọn western countries ni àwọn ni wọ́n rán wọn ṣẹ́, torí pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Burkina Faso. The first thing tí Ibrahim Traore kọ́kọ́ achieve láyé ẹ̀ ní kọ́kọ́ wipe out gbogbo tó jẹ́ Boko Haram. At the end of the day àṣírí wá tú pé ibi táwọn Boko Haram yẹn situate sí tí wọ́n hibernate sí pure ibi tó ti wà gold ni, táwọn France ti wà gold. Lónìí solely single-handedly àwọn Burkina Faso nìkan ni wọ́n ní gold wọn, ìtọ́ dẹ̀ fi ṣọrọ̀ ajé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nílùú wọn. Ìtọ́ fi ṣọrọ̀ ajé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nílùú wọn rí. Owó tí máa yẹn dẹ̀ rí aráàlú rí pé ó ń ná dáadáa. Nígbà tí Amẹ́ríkà máa dìde gbàrà wọ́n ní pé àkọ́kọ́ náà ń tà bí tó ń tà dẹ́ni which means illegal government ni tó ń ṣe yẹn. Number 1 number 2 ni pé ó lè ní wọ́n dàdà parọ́ mọ́. Wọ́n ní gbogbo owó gold proceeds tó rí lórí gold ó ń kó láti fi protect òun àtàwọn family ẹ̀. Ẹni tẹ́ ń wò yìí this general American general ló ṣe chairman àwọn tó parọ́ yẹn mọ́. America àwọn western countries yẹn sì wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ system kan tí àwọn Africa ò tí ì ronú kàn, of which I sat down and I think about it. System tó ń lò sí ni pé wọ́n ti ń fi àwọn black sí top post láwọn countries wọn kiri just to achieve their nefarious act through these black Africans tí wọ́n fi ń dolórí. If you look at that general very well, that general, if you look at him very well, he's an African, but general in America, òun ni chairman àwọn tó ń takù Traore lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, òun ló dàgbà parọ́ mọ́ Ibrahim Traore, òun ló sọ pé ó lè ní owó tó ń rí proceed tó ń rí lórí gold ó fi ń tọ́jú ara ẹ̀ àtàwọn family ẹ̀, ó fi ń protect ara wọn. Tẹ́ bá wo different European countries àti American countries, ẹ lọ àwọn wo ni wọ́n fi sípò ńláńlá ń bẹ̀, ẹ máa rí pé àwọn black Africans ni. Bí ká fi sí bí kí yàn sọ pé speaker, bí ká sọ pé president of the parliament, even prime minister, ẹ lọ àwọn kò ńláńlá sìn ti America àti Europe, pàápàá jùlọ America, Europe, most of àwọn tó ń fi sípò ńláńlá sìn àwọn African countries ni. Àwọn tó ti mọ̀ pé black can tackle blacks ẹgbẹ́ wọn, àwa ni wọ́n ń lò fúnra wa. And thanks to Traore, ó make a speech kan ní the last meeting tó lọ bá wọn attend, tó dédé yọ sáwọn ECOWAS láìrò tẹ́lẹ̀, ó pé orí wọn wálé, but ṣáwọn tó ń ṣo lórí wa sórí wọn pé débẹ̀, ṣé wọ́n ronú débẹ̀? ó jẹ́ kí ogun mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ kábàrà wa jà kọ́ lélẹ̀, àsìkò tó ní kálukú wa máa ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀, tí gbogbo Africans máa ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀ láti gbára wa kó lóko ẹrú la wà yìí. Are we really ready? Effort mélòó ni Nigeria government lè dá ṣe lórí àwọn Fúlàní tó ń jí wa gbé tó ń pa wá pàkúpà yìí? Gbogbo region ló ti lóun fẹ́ lọ tán, Yorùbá sọ, Hausa sọ, Fúlàní gbogbo wa sọ, Igbo sọ, everybody fẹ́ pín. Why? Nítorí pé agbára Nàìjíríà ò ká Fúlàní, agbára wọn ò dẹ̀ lè ká tó láwọn tó wà lábẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n sá pamọ́ àwọn western countries yìí. Àwọn dúró, wọ́n finance wọn, wọ́n gbé weapons ńláńlá fún wọn kí wọ́n máa fi dàlú wa rú, bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n jí wa ní àlùmọ́nì ta nínú ìlú wa kó lọ. Tẹ́ bá ṣe dáadáa aráàlú mọ̀, tẹ́yìn ìjọba bá ṣe dáadáa aráàlú mọ̀, tẹ́ bá náwó wa dáadáa aráàlú lẹ́dì láti kú torí yín. Ṣé ẹ mọye coup tí wọ́n ti plan against Traoré tí ó succeed torí pé aráàlú dúró tán ni o, torí pé aráàlú dúró tán. Máa padà ní complete fídíò kan fún wa níbi tó ti ń kírun báyìí tí wọ́n ti plan nìkan náà CIA sí inú compound ẹ̀, wọ́n padà mú lọ́rùn ọwọ́ báyìí ni. Kódà ó sọ débi pé ìkan nínú àwọn gáàdẹ̀ ló fóun ní passcode láti ṣí géètì inú ibẹ̀ yẹn wọlé, inú presidential villa tó wà wọlé. Àwọn aráàlú Traoré nígbà tó kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó rí pé Africa secure country wa, Australia try tiẹ̀ fún, China náà ti join yẹn sí. Nígbà táwọn other continent bá ń join Traoré, kí ló ṣẹ̀yìn African leaders? Let's emulate from that man. Revolutionary àbíkí náà pé it's not by mouth, it's by action. And that is why you see every other regions tó ń sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ pín. Nigeria ní kọ́kọ́ náà ti ń pariwo pé àwọn fẹ́ lọ. Different countries làwọn èèyàn ti ń pariwo pé àwọn fẹ́ kó country táwọn wà. Tí Nigeria kan wà tú àlàmì ni. Because the menace of that Fulani is very, very high. The first thing tí Traoré ṣe ni kọ́kọ́ wipe wọn out. Wọ́n tún ti plant àwọn jihadist mi síbẹ̀ padà torí pé gold mine tó gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn yẹn kò tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn, kò tẹ́ àwọn Amẹ́ríkà lọ́rùn, kò tẹ́ France lọ́rùn. Àwọn àlùmọ́nì wa, àwọn nǹkan àmúṣọrọ̀ wa, àwọn west yìí náà kò. If I must be sincere with you people, Africa bá yọ kúrò lọ́rọ̀ west lẹ́nìí, they will collapse. Wọ́n á tán gbó wọn mọ́ rárá. Amẹ́ríkà táwọn èèyàn sáré lọ ní ibi táwọn èèyàn máa lọ mọ́ torí they cannot sustain it. Gbogbo lè tán rí jíkó African countries, gbogbo ìlú ẹrú tán rí wa lò, tí ò bá ti sí yẹn mọ́ sí ó parí, àṣírí wọn tú. Ibrahim Traoré tó bá pa owó nílùú gbà yẹn, 80% owó yẹn fi ra weapons láti fi protect ìlú wọn. He now thought it otherwise. Ó wá lọ dá fund kan lẹ̀ nínú ìlú yẹn. Wọ́n pè fund yẹn ní Patriot Support Fund. Wọ́n dálẹ̀ ní last year, towards the end of last year. Patriot Support Fund yẹn òun ló fi ń ra àwọn weapons instead kó máa ná nínú major owó tó ń pa wọlé. Kí dẹ̀ ló mean? Àwọn ọmọ ìlú, even ordinary people nílùú, willingly ni wọ́n dáwó sínú trust fund yẹn. Tọ́rọ ti mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe ẹni tó máa dáwó fún tó máa kówó wọn lọ fi ra Rolls Royce. Ntọ́ ní kó fi ṣe ló máa fi ṣe. Nígbà tó tiẹ̀ tí ìdákọ́bọ̀ wọ́n rí pé owó tó ń pa wọlé bó ṣe ń nà rí. Inú wọn náà wá dùn. Patriot Trust Fund yìí láàrin January ọdún yìí sí March, just 3 months, ọmọ ìlú ti dá $56 million. And we are saying Burkina Faso is poor. torí pé tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn kan ni wọ́n pín ọrọ̀ Burkina Faso sọ́wọ́. They are now being forced to pour it out now. They are bringing it out pẹ̀lú dùnú torí pé wọ́n ti rí pé àkọ́kọ́ náà wọ́n ti tú àwọn ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ẹ̀ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ sìn ó ti rẹ́dì láti ṣòdodo. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí ò wà corrupt tẹ́lẹ̀ tó bá rí leaders tó corrupt tó náà corrupt. Láàrin 3 months wọ́n ti pa $56 million. Aráàlú ni o iṣẹ́ àwọn tó wà níjọba o. Tìdùnnú láwọn aráàlú fi ń dá wọ́n dẹ̀ tó ń sọ fún pé àwọn rẹ́dì láti dá throughout that year. Proceed tó bá rí kó lọ fi ra gbogbo weapons tó fẹ́ rà wọlé fáwọn kó wá protect àwọn. China wọ́n ti show allegiance pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Tanzania kọ́ ni country tí obìnrin ti jẹ president ìyẹn náà ti rán former president lọ pé kó lọ ṣe high sí àwọn yẹn náà ti show allegiance. Where are the remaining African leaders? Lè dájà Fúlàní já o. Fúlàní ò lè gbọ́ o. Lè dédé win ni wọn o. Àfi káwa náà produce irú àwọn Traoré yẹn ní different countries wá kiri. Kò sẹ́ni tó lu àwọn Fúlàní àwọn western world ni. Ṣẹ́gbọ́n coup tán ti plan against the Traoré àti àdáparọ́ tán pamọ́. Kò less than 7 coups tí wọ́n ti plan against ẹ̀ láàrin last year sí year yìí tó di president. Ó ti di almost 7 coups nísìn Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ bá wọn fail gbogbo ẹ̀. Where are the African leaders? Àtúwàbùṣe gàdà àtúrẹ́ nìkan lánàá tó sọ pé àwọn ready láti truncate effort our Yorùbá. So this is a call to all African leaders, pàápàá jùlọ Nigerian leaders. The whole world is watching you people. We can't continue like this. Eléyìí la fẹ́ kẹ́yìn ọba wa bá wa ṣe tí ó jẹ́ pé ọ̀tọ̀ ní nǹkan tá a rò ọ̀tọ̀ ní nǹkan tá a ń rí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin ọba. Pàápàá jùlọ Aláàfin. Ibi bridge tá ti cross tipẹ́tipẹ́tipẹ́. We are going back to the basis of that bridge now. Kì í tí ẹ ṣe páàrin bridge a tún padà sí ẹsẹ̀ bridge yẹn padà tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni nígbà tí wàhálà Aláàfin dé. A ti padà sétí ẹ̀ pátápátá sí. Fúlàní ò dẹ̀ stop láti máa báṣẹ́ lọ. Ó lè mí ṣe ló ṣe ń ká èmi lára ní gbogbo gbà. Kí lẹ fẹ́ ká ṣe? Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ ẹ jèbùrẹ́ ẹ wálé pátápátá ìyà ń jẹ Yorùbá ẹ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìran Yorùbá tó kù. Ẹ gbàgbára lẹ̀ ẹ gbàgbé pé ìjà àgbà méjì tẹ̀ ń lọ kọwọ́ bọ̀. Forget about it. It's like that we come together, we talk together, then we see what we're supposed to see. Gẹ́gẹ́ ni yẹn sọ lánàá èmi mo sọ mo tuntun sọ that Aláàfin might not know anything about it but tó jọ gàtẹ́ kò jọ gàtẹ́ ó fẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì jọ gàtẹ́ eegun àti ló wọlé èèyàn àti ló jáde tí kì bá ṣe látọ̀dọ̀ Aláàfin lóòótọ́ bí mo ṣe rò ó lọ́wọ́ àwọn olólùfẹ́ wọn nú. Ṣé rúrokúrò yẹn ṣó dáa? Mo ti rí kọ́mẹ̀ntì rẹpẹtẹ látànà àṣẹ Yorùbá nation mọ́ ṣe oríṣiríṣi oníkálùkù tẹ̀ sọ let us stop pátápátá tó bá ti jẹ́ pé Aláàfin ló máa rúlu wa many things. Ìyà dẹ̀ ń jẹ wá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìyà ń jẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ò mọ nǹkan tó lè ṣe mọ́. Àmọ́ ìyà tó wà lóyún ìbò tẹ́rù bá wọn láti wá sí Nàìjíríà. Must we continue like this? Àwọn tó dẹ̀ kógun ìwọ̀lú wa sẹ́ aláwọ̀ western world ni. Àwọn tó lu àwọn ìyá wa àwọn bàbá wa àwọn tó wà lóyìnbó àwọn tó wà Nàìjíríà tó fẹ́ sá lọ àwọn náà jẹ́ kí ìlú yìí má ṣe é gbé káwọn èèyàn máa sáwádìí wọn á máa ṣọrú. If you are a qualified doctor tí doctor yìí yẹn tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti lò Nàìjíríà tẹ́ lọ́ lò fún wọn ìyẹn ni wọ́n fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa kú lu tiwa ṣùgbọ́n káwọn tó ní brain, àwọn best doctors ti wá kọ́ máa wúlò fáwọn lọ́hùn. Kò sí iye tán lè fún yín sá, kò sí iye tán lè fún yín mà tó máa dàbí kó jẹ́ Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ wúlò fún. Ṣùgbọ́n Nàìjíríà òun náà ti jẹ́ kó di nǹkan tá a lè gbé mọ́ yìí lóníkálùkù láwọn fẹ́ pín. Most of iṣẹ́ yìí wá látọwọ́ àwọn Europe and African and American countries. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo sàkún, ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn ẹni ńláńláńláńlá, àwọn olórí ńláńlá tó ti ń dìde ní African countries. Kí apá America àti dé àti fi wọ́n lánú, kí apá France àti dé àti fi wọ́n lánú, kí apá Europe àti dé wọ́n àti fi wọ́n lánú. Ìlú tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń dá sí wọ́n bà Africa jẹ́. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ African countries pátá ló yẹ ká dìde mọ́ Ibrahim Traore. Káwá ẹ wo gbà tí Fáṣọlá dìde lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. The whole Nigerians recognize that man. In fact, it got to a state táwọn state kan béèrè fún pé kó jọ irú Fáṣọlá ẹ̀kọ́ àti ẹ̀rọ báwọn ṣe state àwọn fọ́dún kan. Téèyàn bá ṣe dáadáa àwọn Nàìjíríà máa mọ̀, tó lórí bá dá àwọn èèyàn máa mọ̀, and they will be ready to spend their last on the example ẹ̀ lárí ní Burkina Faso ìjọ̀wò sí jọ̀wò. Ọmọ ọ̀lù kò fọ́ọ̀sì wọn o, Traore fọ́ọ̀sì wọn o, kò yan àwọn military pé kán lọ máa gbowó yẹn tipátipá. No, àwọn èèyàn willingly sanwó sí pọ́ọ̀sì yẹn ni. Ó dẹ̀ accountability and transparency dẹ̀ wà fún. Náà fi mọ iye tó jẹ́ láàrin 3 months. Béèyàn bá dánwó ẹ̀wò Nàìjíríà, ẹ túbọ̀ sọ àwọn tó wà nídìí ẹ̀ sọ wọ́n dolówó ni. Torí 56 million tán declare yìí, pẹ̀lú ògbó Ọlọ́run wọ́n lè ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ declare 2 million. Wọ́n lè ṣẹ̀ ní $2 million làwọn pa. Tàtún wà máa praise wọn pé láàrin 3 months. Example ẹ wo JAMB, ẹ wo custom. Àwọn kan ni wọ́n jẹ chairman custom tó jẹ́ fódìdí ọdún kan, wọ́n láwọn pa ṣé wọ́n 200 million àbí ìgbèlú ni wọ́n láwọn pa. Tẹ́nìkan dẹ̀ débẹ̀ tí ò ju 6 months lọ tán ti ń declare billions of naira. Àwọn kan fún bí odidi ọdún mẹ́ta wọ́n declare bí 100 million 200 million. Ẹnìkan dẹ̀ débẹ̀ láàrin oṣù mẹ́fà oṣù mẹ́rin mẹ́ta ó ti ń declare billions. Ó depend lórí bàbá ṣe rí. So what I'm saying in essence is that ìjà àwọn Fúlàní ní Nigeria àti other African countries, they are totally being sponsored by the Western countries. Àwọn Europe, àwọn American countries, àwọn tó sponsor wọn nìyẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ máa lò wọ́n láti fi jí àlùmọ́nì ilẹ̀ wa kó ní. Ìjọba ní kó wá brace up, kí wọ́n ready láti face wọn, kó ready láti strategize, káwọn African leaders kí wọ́n wake up, kí wọ́n jọ ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ. And àwa Yorùbá, ìjà tí à ń bára wa jà lọ́tùn lósì kò lè gbé wa débi kankan. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ bàbá wa Aláàfin, ẹ bá wa bẹ̀ wọ́n, kí wọ́n jèbù rẹ̀, kí wọ́n wálé pátápátá, kí wọ́n má dálẹ̀ Yorùbá padà sẹ́yìn. Torí pé nọ́tàn títí ìjà yìí parí, everything lọ dédé, ní Yorùbá lè get out rẹ̀ together o. Àfi tó bá jẹ́ pé ìpọ̀ táwọn èèyàn sọ lóòótọ́ pé àjẹ́dà Fúlàní ni wọ́n wá achieve. But tí kìí bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, of which me I decline to believe. Wọ́n sì sọ nínú speech wọn pé ní ìgbà tó ń defend ara wọn lórí bàbá Ọ̀yọ́túnjí wípé àwọn wá láti wá unite ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn wá láti wá gbèjà Yorùbá pàápàá jùlọ lórí security. That is what we want, sir. Let us see it in your action, not by word of mouth. Ìtẹ́ lè ṣe tọmọ Yorùbá tí àárín wa lè fi settle. Ó ní kí ẹ lọ kọ́, yes, there is no big deal in that. Ẹ lọ kí Ọọ̀ni wípé ṣeun tó wá sí coronation yín kẹ́yìn méjèèjì jọ ṣe fídíò kí gbogbo ayé rí yín pé ìjà ti parí kò sí ìjà mọ́ a gbàgbé differences a máa bá ìtàǹbà bọ̀bọ̀. I don't think that is too big for you to do, Your Royal Highness. Ẹ lọ bá láàfin, ẹ lọ bá Ọọ̀ni. Ìlú bàbá yín ni nífẹ̀ẹ́, kì í ṣe bí tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ wọ̀. N tó ti mú yín lọ sí Sókótó lọ́hùn. Tó mú yín lọ s'Àbújá lọ́hùn. Mélòó ni Ọ̀yọ́ sí Ifẹ̀ o? Ẹ wà mobile tí driver yín bá rìn dáadáa ẹ lè lo 1.5 hours tán dé Ifẹ̀ látọ̀yọ́ ó kì í já ní 2 hours because irú mọ́tò orú ti yín arcade ni kò sí pọ́lọ́pàá dá igbó kò sí kó dọ̀kù múrú yín àwọn mọ́tò máa yà lọ́nà fún yín ní pẹ̀lú siren so in less than 2 hours ẹ dé Ifẹ̀ ìntẹ́ ṣe yẹn ni wọ́n pè ní ẹ ti jẹ́ kó gun omi ẹ dì mọ́ra yín ẹ kíra yín àti Ọọ̀ni o àtàláàfin kẹ́ ẹ dojú tọ̀tà tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá máa padà sí ti tẹ́lẹ̀ ìfẹ́ yẹn á máa wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́yìn méjèèjì jọ wá ṣe fídíò kí gbogbo ayé rí kẹ́ ẹ jọ wá sọ papọ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọlẹ́yìn àwa méjèèjì ẹ jẹ́ kó gun omi tí ẹ̀mọ̀ bá àwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn Ọọ̀ni òríjà kankan táwọn yẹn jà sófà náà halẹ̀ mẹ́nikẹ́ni Ọọ̀ni fún rẹ̀ kò sọ̀rọ̀ kan bàbá ẹ̀yin náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá padà sí ti tẹ́lẹ̀ we will be able to face one common enemy. Irú táwọn tó ń ṣe voice note lánàá yẹn ṣe yẹn kò ní sẹ́ni lè ṣe irú ẹ̀ mọ́ torí pé ń tẹ́ ṣe yẹn ni pé ẹ ti block ibi tí aláǹgbá lè wọ̀ ògiri tó lanu yẹn ti block ẹ̀ nìyẹn tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ ti dí ògiri kò síbi táláǹgbá lè wọ̀ mọ́ tóyìn tí ò bá ti sí loopholes àwọn ọ̀tálẹ̀ Yorùbá ò ní ráyè wọlé irú ẹni ṣe voice note yẹn máa kọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni kódà káwọ́ mọ́rí ni torí tó rò kàn ló máa bá for the sake of the love tẹ́ ẹ ní sílẹ̀ Yorùbá láàfin ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ Ọọ̀ni ẹ má wò pé èmi ni máa wá lọ ẹ lọ kò sí big deal bẹ́ẹ̀ kódà ìjọ tá a bá rí tẹ́ bá ṣerú ẹ̀ ó dá mi lójú pé celebration kan máa wà láàrin Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé ìdùnnú yẹn á pọ̀ jù tó ló ń bà wá kan nínú jẹ́ bí kan ṣe ń lọ yìí kò dùn má wá kan nínú we are not happy at all kò dùn mọ́ wa rárá ìfàsẹ́yìn ló mú balẹ̀ Yorùbá tí Fúlàní dẹ̀ tí wọ́n achieve nǹkan tó ga jù nínú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá against wa mo rí kalẹ̀ mi ó dà pé ọlọ́pàá kan àti bí 70 kìíní kan aráàlú ni wọ́n náà tó pa the same Fúlàní èèyàn bàbá jókòó síbi kan tẹ́yìn sọ tẹ́yìn jíjà àgbà ìjọ́ wo la fẹ́ ṣe yẹn gbà ìjọ́ wo lẹ fẹ́ face common enemy ọjọ́ wo lẹ fẹ́ lead wa yes lára àpọ̀tẹ́ni yẹn sọ lánàá monarchical government kí ló burú nú ẹ̀ it's not compulsory we must follow the so-called democracy the system Nigeria is using it's not compulsory ẹni bá Yorùbá nation wa ká ní monarchical government la fẹ́ lò and everybody knows olórí ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá náà la máa fi síbẹ̀ ìṣẹ́dọ́nà ká ló democracy ókè kò wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn kò sí kan tó burú tán bá rotate tálàfí bá jẹ fọ́dún mẹ́rin lé ká fi Ọọ̀ni síbi ọdún mẹ́rin kó tún wá látọ̀yọ́ kó tún wá láti Ifẹ̀ ẹ̀yin méjèèjì náà ta acknowledge aṣọ lórí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá nìyẹn there is no big láti mọ̀ pé kò ní ìdìbò torí pé ìbò fún rẹ̀ corruption ló jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ we must converse to ourselves ìbò kì í jẹ́ kẹ́ni tó tọ́ sí kó dépò ẹ̀ tó lówó ló máa ń dépò tó bá ti dóníbò because highest bidder ló máa ń win that is Nigeria for you bọ́tẹ́ wò Ìbàdàn torí pé wọ́n fi owó ṣe ọba kódà the poorest man can become king nìbàdàn tó rántí mọ̀ pé lẹ́yìn lágbájá ló kàn táà náà bá adopt system yẹn lẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣó léèwọ̀ ni kò léèwọ̀ náà á ti mọ̀ pé ibi báyìí ni Yorùbá ń lọ á ti mọ̀ pé lẹ́yìn ẹni tó wà ń bẹ́ ibi lẹ́yìn ọdún mẹ́rin ẹni báyìí ló kàn kò ní ìdìpó lówó kò ní ìdìpó náwó kò ní ìdìpó campaign ẹni tó wà ń bẹ́ ni kó ṣe dáadáa yóò bá dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa àgbà sọ́nù agbẹ́lómi tó kàn sí ní tó ń pè ní democracy nìyẹn kì í ṣe tá a máa lọ campaign tó máa fi 100 million tó máa fi gba fọ́ọ̀mù tó máa ní pé yàkọ́ tó wá dìbò táwọn náà máa ti ná bí 500 million kó tó di ipò tó máa dé tán ó ti ná bí 1 billion owó yẹn ló máa kọ́ sáré orí ìkú tó bá padà dépò yẹn and there will be nothing like democracy kò ní túlù ṣe ọtí tó bá pawó yẹn wọlé tó bá pa wọlé tó á ná investment ni ó sì kú interest on my investment ó sì máa fẹ́ pa èrè ní tó bá ṣe ní ẹ̀tọ́dún mẹ́rin máa fi lọ ọdún mẹ́rin kejì tẹ́ bá tún fún a ní last time òun lòun wà yìí o kó ya fẹ́ lè kó owó wọlé o nítọ́ ṣe rí kankan ṣe nìyẹn ọ̀tá bá ti wò ó tó ti jẹ́ pé ìjókòó sọ ti wà tó bá fi ilé ìsí lọ́dún yìí ẹ̀yìn ọdún mẹ́rin àti mọ̀ pẹ̀lú báyìí ló kàn ó kú kò kìí ṣe dandan kó kú sórí ipò yẹn náà so àwọn Yorùbá I need láti get out our together then African leaders you people need to get your act together this is the right time tèmi rò ó yẹ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin African leaders kẹ́ ẹ support Ibrahim Traore ó ti fi rẹ̀ síwájú bí Ìgbòho òun náà ti sọ pé okay let me front already láti treat fuck up àwọn western leaders yẹn gbogbo rọ àdápa náà ti pamọ́ tán gbogbo kúpayé náà ti plan fún ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ àwọn ọmọ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ àti kádà rẹ̀ tí ò sọ pé bó ṣe máa lọ rẹ̀ the same thing they did to Thomas Sankara they are trying to do it for this man too ojú tí ló máa jẹ́ fẹ́yìn African leaders tẹ́ ẹ bá ń wò wọ́n kan tó bring eléyìí down ẹjá lọ gbọ́ iṣẹ́ tí a fẹ́ jẹ́ fún wa mọ́ bọ̀.
orí la fi mọ bá ilẹ̀kẹ̀ la fi mọ jòyè èdè wa làmì ìdánimọ̀ wà. pẹ̀lú ìgbìmọ̀ tó kéde Yorùbá kó má dohun ìgbàgbé kó má dohun àfisẹ́yìn tí egun fi sọ. ọ̀mọ̀wé Gbẹ́ngà Fágbọnú ti kó o jáde. dictionary Yorùbá aláwòrán kúnlẹ́kàkì okùn fọ́fọ́ láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ dópin ló ṣàtúpalẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá tó ta kókó. pẹ̀lú àlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ látẹnu olùkọ́ àgbà. kò ṣeé mà níní fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá o àgbàlagbà tàbí àwọn ọmọdé ìsẹ̀yìn. àwọn àkójọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá tó ta kókó tó lé ní ẹgbẹ̀rún mẹ́tàlá pẹ̀lú àwọn àwòrán tí yóò mú òye ọ̀rọ̀ yéni ní kankan. dictionary Yorùbá ti wà jákèjádò ilé ìtajà àti ilé ìkàwé jákèjádò àgbáńláyé. fẹ̀yìn tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ rà tàbí tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ kun lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ janturu. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní United Kingdom ẹ̀jẹ̀ kò sí ìyáàfin Dorcas Amusan Fagbonu ní 119 Little Hutton Lane Bradford BD5 OHT tàbí kẹ́ ẹ pè wọ́n sórí ẹ̀rọ ọ̀bánisọ̀rọ̀ yìí +447421222557. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórílẹ̀‐èdè Amẹ́ríkà ẹ máa pọ̀ sí ọ̀gbẹ́ni Olúwaṣọ́ṣọ́yà ní 601 Cypress Station TR Unit 510 Austin Texas tàbí kẹ́ pè wọ́n sórí ẹ̀rọ ọ̀bánisọ̀rọ̀ +175727735552. ẹ̀yin ti Europe ẹ kàn sí ìyáàfin Mary Buckner Eriksbo Bisbo Ostergaard 324244 Angel Goggle Box City ní Sweden tàbí kẹ́ pè wọ́n sórí ẹ̀rọ ọ̀bánisọ̀rọ̀ yìí +4673832999. ẹ̀yin torílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ìrọ̀rùn ló bá dé o ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ẹ máa kàn sí bàbá gbàgede ìmọ̀ tẹlifíṣàn tàbí kẹ́ pè wọ́n sórí ẹ̀rọ ọ̀bánisọ̀rọ̀ yìí 08130602361. ẹ̀yin ti ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ẹ pè ọ̀mọ̀wé Victor Taiwo sórí ẹ̀rọ ọ̀bánisọ̀rọ̀ yìí 08126923916. kò ṣeé má níní o fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá o.
dictionary náà rèé gbogbo gbàlá ń polówó ẹ̀ bó tẹ̀ ní pépà atọ́títà 20 tán o lẹ́nu àná sóní wá bá mú pépà yẹn wá káyé rí àti ta 20 tán dictionary náà lẹ̀ ń wò yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àti 20 kan ti tán ó kù another 20 tí a tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí a tún máa já láàárọ̀ yìí ìfà another 20 yẹn gan àti ta mẹ́wàá àti ta méjì rádà láàárọ̀ yìí o ṣeun pépà mẹ́wàá tá a ṣe tà tán rèé láàárọ̀ yìí ní àná lajá ó lẹ̀ ti tán ẹ̀sà sẹ́yìn sì dókòó ẹ ṣe ń wò a máa tún dá 20 mi báyìí ìfà méjì ti tán nínú 20 yẹn àti ta méjì bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ bí ó kù 18 tí 18 yẹn bá ti tán mi lè sọ bóyá dictionary yẹn kù àbí kò sí mọ́ èyí tó kù tán gbé fèmí òun ló ti fẹ́ tán yìí ẹ̀sà tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé ní ìdẹ ẹ̀sà tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé ní ìdẹ ẹ̀ tètè book ó yà mí lẹ́nu nígbà tẹ́nìkan kó 8 ó ti kọ́kọ́ ra 2 bóyá ló tó ra 8 tó àwọn náà mọ bó ṣe ń lọ wọ́n ha fáwọn student káàkiri ní àkànọ́sì 29,000 ní àtàmú sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ then good news ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lóńdó èkìtì ìbàdàn ifẹ̀ nǹkan yẹn àti rí àwọn mọ́tò tó ń lọ gbogbo àwọn eré àyè mọ́tò tó ń lọ sí kò ti wà rẹ́dí tẹ́lẹ̀ but ìbàdàn la fi ránṣẹ́ sí nọ́mà tẹ́lẹ̀ but nísìn Oǹdó èkìtì nǹkan àti rí àwọn mọ́tò tó ń lọ ọbẹ̀ owó tẹ̀kan máa fi kún ló máa pọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n máa mú wá fún yín báyìí ní gáràjì ìlú yín àti láwọn mọ́tò káàkiri tó ń lọ bẹ̀ so ẹ pe nọ́mbà yẹn ẹ san 29,000 sákàǹtì yẹn ẹ wá pe nọ́mbà yẹn tá bá dé gáràjì tá fẹ́ mú lọ iyekíye tán bá lẹ máa san nínú kẹsẹ̀ dẹ̀ sí wa lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ̀ fún onímọ́tò tán bá drop ìwé yẹn fún yín ní gáràjì yín ẹ̀ fún onímọ́tò fúnra bẹ̀tẹ̀ owó òwe gangan is 29,000 tó bá jẹ́ kó Ìbàdàn ní 3,000 ní kẹ́ ẹ̀ fi kún 3,000 làwọn onímọ́tò yẹn ń gbà ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ti ń tẹ̀ lọ Ọ̀yọ́ Oǹdó Èkìtì Ifẹ̀ nǹkan yẹn àwọn owó yẹn ń pọ̀ èmi ò mọ iye tán máa gbà o bọ́tà lè bá yín fi ránṣẹ́ á wà pé ìta bá dé gáràjì pé onímọ́tò rí ẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀ iye báyìí ló lóun fẹ́ gbà o tó bá yẹ kó máa mú bọ̀ ẹ sọ fún wa pé yá kó máa mú bọ̀ ẹ dẹ̀ fún ẹni ẹ lówó yẹn ẹ dẹ̀ lè sẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ sáwà kábà yín fún immediately kó kàn máa gbé bọ̀ kẹ́kàn lọ gba package yìí ni phone number tẹ máa send receipt sí o lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn ní abẹ́ First Bank account 081 30 67 23 61 o lè máa fi receipt yẹn ránṣẹ́ sí so bó ṣe rí nìyẹn o ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tí mo tún fẹ́ sọ ó ní pé mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa kò sí ìjọ́ kan kí bàbá gbàgede mọ́ gbédé ẹ̀yin kan wà tó jẹ́ pé ẹ máa bá wa dá sí ṣáá ni lánàá la gbé bàbá kan wá síbí tí wọ́n ní prostate problem prostate yẹn wọ́n ló ti fẹ́ di kidney cancer fún wọn ṣùgbọ́n kò tí ì dì í gbogbo kí náà orúkọ bàbá náà bàbá Fáṣọlá bàbá kìíní kan Fáṣọlá tí wọ́n náà wà ní Redeem Hospital ní Redeem Church ẹ̀yin ọmọ Redeem ẹ bá wa investigate pé ṣé lóòótọ́ ni bàbá yìí wà ni wọ́n wá hospital wọn torí nísìnyí wọ́n wà nílé wọ́n dúró de Thursday tí wọ́n máa ṣe operation so mo dúpẹ́ o at least bàbá kan wà tí wọ́n ra ìwé yìí lánàá wọ́n ra 2 dictionary yìí lánàá wọ́n wá pè mí pé bàbá Gbàgede ọmọ tí ó ní heart problem èmi ṣe ń rí wo ní àwọn ní àgbà owó fọmọ yẹn mọ́ Ọlọ́run ti ṣe àti fún lówó bọ́tẹ́ tó wá wà nílẹ̀ báyìí ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ báyìí dẹ̀ fún wa 500,000 fún bàbá Fáṣọlá yìí then throughout àná títí dàárọ̀ yìí apá 420 yàtọ̀ 500,000 tí bàbá yẹn fún wa apá 420,000 so ó ti di 920,000 tá a ti ní nílẹ̀ sí 920,000 nínú 2.5 láàrin ìsìn sí Thursday òun la ń lọ ni wọ́n máa àárọ̀ Thursday ni wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ sanwó owó operation in fact tó dáa jù ní kó yẹn ti wà lọ́wọ́ wọn ní Wednesday kan sanwó yẹn kan gba receipt sọ́wọ́ kí hospital lè ka bàbá yẹn mú ẹni tó máa ṣe operation fún ní Thursday yẹn ó dẹ̀ lè dáàrọ̀ Thursday náà ló máa ní kán lọ sanwó, nobody knows, ṣùgbọ́n tó dáa jù ó ní kówó yẹn ti wà lọ́wọ́ wọn before that Thursday. Nínú 2.5 920,000 la ṣe rí. Ẹ̀yin onínúdùn ọlọ́rẹ̀ ṣé o, a máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín náà ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbẹ̀mí bàbá yìí là. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn kan tẹ́ máa ń dá sí dáadáa tẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́ bá dá sí lé káàbàrò yẹn pé hospital bá kọ̀ fáwọn oníṣẹ́ operation yẹn tí bàbá yẹn bá kú or tó lọ di kidney cancer fún me, I will never forgive myself. Mi ní dárí jẹra mi pé bàbá yìí owó lásán làbá dẹ̀ fi save life ẹ̀ o, because ó bá ti di kidney cancer kò sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Èmi ò máa ń ka kidney cancer kún kankan because mo máa ń kà kún pé Ọlọ́run ló lẹ̀mí ẹni yẹn. Lọ́sọ̀ àwọn stringent conditions tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù kan tó rí donor, kí kidney donor náà tó match tẹ́ni yẹn, kan tó rówó tí wọ́n máa san, ká tó wá sọ àwọn tó máa ṣe transplant yẹn. 2.5 dẹ̀ là ń wá ta lè fi safe situation kó má dàbẹ́. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti bá a dá sí sófà, ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ gan-an, ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ o. Ibi tá a bọ́rọ̀ bàbá yẹn dé ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ gbọ́ yẹn, ẹ ṣé o. Náà ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwa Yorùbá àti bàbá wa Láàfin àti ẹ̀yin African leaders. Bá a ṣe ń fẹ́ kan pé bàbá wa Láàfin pé kan jẹ́ kó gun omi kí wọ́n jọ múra wẹ́ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí wọn ni. Ẹ lọ identify pẹ̀lú Ọọ̀ni. Ẹ bá identify pẹ̀lú Ọọ̀ni wàláì gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátá ló máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín padà. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátá, just name it, because everybody máa rí pé kódà máa yìí látẹ̀lé lọ kò ṣe mí mọ́. Go identify with him, there is no big deal there. Ẹ pè wọ́n, ẹ kí wọ́n, ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn tó kù ni, ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ tiẹ̀ náà. N tó ti lè mú yín lọ ọ̀dọ̀ ọba Sókótó, ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ àlá, ẹ sáré pọ́n wá, ẹ lọ kí wọ́n. Má bínú ọmọ ìyá mi ní kí wá kí yín o, gba sálámọ̀ sí ẹ̀dẹ̀ kíra yín, ẹ so mọ́ra yẹn, ṣe fídíò ẹ̀jẹ̀ gbogbo ayé rí, kẹ́ ẹ pa gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ti rò kó máa bàjẹ́, kẹ́ ẹ pa wọ́n lẹ́nu mọ́. Kẹ́jọ wá bá wa plan, kẹ́jọ ṣàpérò báwo ni ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣe máa dáa. Nígbà wo lẹ fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti mobilize wa? Kí ni next line of action? Tẹ́yìn méjèèjì tí fracas bá ṣì wà, ẹ nílé jọ plan papọ̀. Tọkọ àtìyàwó bá jà, ẹ máa ṣọ́ ó máa affect àwọn ọmọ, tó máa affect inú ilé. But tí ọkọ àtìyàwó tí wọ́n bá ní àwọn Lárúbáwá pè ní ìṣìmáyàkùlù, ìsopọ̀ ẹ̀mí, tí ìsopọ̀ ẹ̀mí bá ti wà lórí subject matter, problem yẹn ti solve. Tẹ́mi yín bá ti sopọ̀ sí, you people can coordinate other obas in Yorùbá land. Ẹni jọ máa strategize. Kẹ́ tó mọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀, solution àwa. Ọlọ́run máa ṣàṣe rọrùn. This is my submission today sí bàbá wa Láàfin àti gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá àti àwọn tó jó lórí wa ní Nàìjíríà. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba, Fúlàní ò ní kó wa lẹ́rú o, inshallah. Ìtọ́dẹ̀dẹ́ yìí test ni Ọlọ́run ọba mú lọ. Adẹ̀má délẹ̀ lérí wa lágbára Ọlọ́run láìpẹ́. Now ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi wálẹ̀ pẹ̀lú dáadáa kan táwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn Traoré ṣe sí àti bí àwọn American kankan wọ́n ṣe plan fún lára àwọn kúùpù kan rè tí wọ́n plan fún tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run ṣeun wọ́n fọ́ ilẹ̀ ó di nǹkan tí kúùpù yẹn Traoré ò bá lọ. Káà náà listen ká fi kọ́gbọ́n, káwọn olórí wa náà bá wa wò ó kọ́ lè wo pé àfi ká identify pẹ̀lú Traoré lọ́wọ́ àṣẹ lọ́rùn. Happy viewing.
The sky over Ouagadougou was just turning a range. It was early morning, cool air, birds singing, not a soul on the street, but inside the presidential garden where flowers swayed quietly in the breeze, a man stood with a gun, aimed at the back of President Ibrahim Traoré's head. The president didn't know. He was kneeling on the grass alone, praying to start his day. No guards, no cameras, just him and the morning peace. But peace was not what the man behind him came for. He came to end the revolution in one silent shot. He had waited all night, hidden, in the garden, wearing the uniform of a palace gardener, but he was no gardener. His name was Daniel Kane, and he wasn't from Burkina Faso. He was an American, but not just any American, a trained spy, a field agent working under false identity, and he wasn't working alone. He had been sent by President Alassane Ouattara of Côte d'Ivoire with full support from foreign powers, including certain interests in Washington and Paris. This is how we stop the spread of his revolution, they told him. One clean shot, and it's over. But things didn't go as planned, because just as Daniel pulled the safety off his silenced pistol, President Traoré whispered something without turning around. "You traveled a long way to die here, didn't you?" Daniel froze. How did he know? Before he could think, the grass around him moved. And then, in one lightning-fast moment, Traoré spun around, kicked the gun from Daniel's hand, and tackled him to the ground. Daniel was trained for hand-to-hand combat. But what he didn't expect was Traoré had trained in Russia, Cuba, and the Sahel. His style was raw, fast, unpredictable, and worse. Traoré didn't flinch, not even once. Within seconds, the assassin was pinned down, both arms locked behind his back. That's when the guards finally rushed in. Traoré looked at them calmly and said, "No one shoots. He's not just a hitman. He's a message, and I want to hear it straight from his mouth." Daniel was dragged into Aprivet bunker below the palace. The room was dark, made of stone, with a single chair in the middle. They sat him down, handcuffed and sweating. Traoré entered the room alone. No bodyguards, no guns, just him holding a small cup of tea. He placed it on the table. "Let's talk," he said. "Where are you from?" Daniel looked up, eyes cold. "You already know. Say it anyway," Traoré replied. "Say it on record." Daniel hesitated, then smiled. "I'm from Langley. I work for the agency, and yes, I was sent here, directed us from Washington. But the plan came from Abidjan. Ouattara signed off on it himself." The room fell silent. Traoré sat back. "Why would Côte d'Ivoire want Magone?" Daniel smirked. "You're turning the region upside down, throwing out the French, welcoming the Russians. You become too powerful and worse, too popular. You were never supposed to last this long." Then came the twist. Daniel leaned in and said, "You think I'm the only one? Look around you, Tay. You're surrounded by smiles, but half of them were bought. Someone inside your palace gave me the gate code, and guess what? They're meeting tonight to plan the second attempt." Traoré stood up slowly. His voice was calm, but his eyes burned. "Then I guess I'll have to attend that meeting myself." Daniel laughed. "They'll know it's a trap." Traoré smiled. "So will I." That night, the palace looked peaceful. The guards stood at their posts. Lights were on, doors closed, curtains drawn. Everything seemed normal, but inside their war had already begun, because President Traoré was no longer in his room. He had changed into a soldier's uniform, put on a cap, and covered his face with a scarf. Only 3 people in the palace knew where he was. He wasn't running. He was going undercover. Earlier that evening, after the captured spy, Daniel revealed the truth, that someone from inside the palace had given him the gate code. Traoré made a quiet decision. "Let them think I'm asleep. Let them think I'm afraid. I'll walk into their meeting and look my enemy in the eye." At exactly 11:37 p.m., inside a small storage room beneath the kitchen, 7 men gathered. Some were soldiers. One was a government aide, and one wore a white coat, a palace doctor. They spoke in low voices. One of them took out a tablet and read a short message. "Plan Ivory Flame. Phase 2. The backup team is ready." The youngest one, a soldier named Lieutenant Beau, asked nervously, "What if Traoré finds out?" The man in the white coat replied, "He won't. He's probably dead by now. The Americans said the poison would take time." Everyone nodded. They didn't know. Traoré was already standing behind the wall listening. He had hidden a small microphone earlier in the room, but nowhere wanted faces. He pushed the door open slowly, walked in, and stood at the back. Quiet. They didn't recognize him in the soldier's uniform, not until he spoke. "You talk like men," Traoré said, "but plot like rats." They all froze. One of them reached for his gun, but Traoré already had his out. "Move, and I'll end this meeting myself." The doctor stuttered. "How? How did you?" "You poisoned my tea," Traoré said. "But I never drank it. You sent a man from America, but he talked. And now you plan to light Ivory Flame. Then let me be the first to pour water on it." Suddenly a loud knock echoed down the hallway. The door swung open. Red Lions, Traoré's elite secret force flooded in. No one escaped. The traitors were dragged out one by one, shocked, silent, broken. But as the last man was taken away, the doctor whispered, "Something you don't understand. What a raisin done. You stopped the spy, but you missed the snake." Traoré leaned closer. "Who?" The doctor smiled weakly. "There's another one higher than me, close to you, and he is already moving." Traoré stepped back, face calm, but heart racing. "Then we stop him before Hess strikes. Because whoever this snake was, he wasn't just a traitor. He was someone Traoré trusted, someone who might be standing next to him even now." The next morning, the sky over Ouagadougou was grey. It wasn't raining, but it felt like a storm was coming. President Ibrahim Traoré sat at his desk in silence. In front of him were 7 photos, each one a man arrested the night before. Soldiers, staff, even Apollos doctor, all traitors. But there was still one missing. The real leader, Traoré said to his intelligence chief, is still free. Someone close. To me, someone I trust. The intelligence chief nodded. "A snake in your shadow." Just then a message arrived. It came from the U.S. Embassy through official diplomatic channels. It said, "Washington regrets the misunderstanding. The agent acted without authorization. We request a private meeting to avoid further conflict." Traoré stared at the screen. "They want to clean it quietly," he said. "No apology, just silence." But something about the message felt off. The font was different, the wording too cold. He turned to his top cyber officer. "Is it real?" The officer looked nervous. "The channel is real, but the location the message was sent from is not America." "Then where?" Traoré asked. The officer hesitated. "A private network inside Côte d'Ivoire." Traoré stood up. "So it begins. The lies, the cover-up. They want to erase everything, starting with me, but I won't wait to be erased." Meanwhile, in another room of the palace, someone else was on the move. A man in a general's uniform. He walked with power, smiled at every guard. No one stopped him because he was one of the highest-ranking officers in the country. His name, General Yakuba Diop. He had served under 3 presidents. He trained half the soldiers in the capital, and Traoré once called him a pillar of our defense. But what Nune knew was that General Diop was working with Ouattara. At exactly 10:15 a.m., Diop entered a locked room near the communications center. He took out Asmol satellite device, hidden inside a medical box. Then he sent a short coded message to Abidjan. All targets exposed. Only Traoré left, awaiting green light. He pressed send, but something was wrong. The device made a strange beep. A red light blinked. And then a voice came through the speaker. "You're sending too late, General. He already knows." Diop's face went pale. He turned around and there was President Traoré standing at the door. "We found your signal days ago," Traoré said. "We watched your messages. We listened to your fake calls. Even the Americans underestimated how deep you'd go." Diop didn't speak. He reached for his sidearm, but before he could touch it, a Red Lion guard smashed through the window and pinned him to the wall. Traoré stepped forward, calm as ever. "You trained thousands of soldiers, but forgot loyalty can't be taught. How much did they pay you to betray this land?" General Diop gave one final smirk. "It wasn't money. It was fear. They told me if I didn't help, Burkina Faso would burn." Traoré looked him dead in the eyes. "Then let them come with fire. We'll answer with thunder." As Dio was dragged away, Trarier turned to his officers. "Prepare the airbase. We're going to the border. It's time we visit Côte d'Ivoire." The sun was high over the Sahel when President Ibrahim Traoré stepped into a small black SUV headed south. No flags, no official convoy, just 4 trusted Red Lions in plain clothes and a mission. Their destination, the Burkina Faso-d'Ivoire border, but not for war, for a warning. Traoré had received confirmation. The orders to eliminate him came directly from inside Côte d'Ivoire's military command, with quiet backing from foreign hands, so he decided to do something Nooni expected. He went to them. 3 hours later, the SUV pulled into an abandoned customs station near the border. There, waiting with 2 armored vehicles, was General Kouassi, a high-ranking officer under President Alassane Ouattara. He didn't smile when he saw Traoré step out of the car. "This is not your land, President," General Kouassi said coldly. "You come here without notice that could be considered a threat, Traoré." He threw a brown folder on the table between them. Inside, satellite images of an Ivorian training camp, intercepted audio from spy Daniel Kane, flight records of mercenaries flown in from Sahel. General Kouassi flipped through the documents, then laughed. "You have no idea what's really happening, do you?" Traoré narrowed his eyes. "Then explain it to me." The general leaned closer. "Ouattara isn't the only one involved. This isn't just about you. It's about the new map being drawn in West Africa. Your revolution, removing the French, rejecting ECOWAS, calling out the West. It scared too many people. They don't want to kill you just because you're dangerous. They want to kill you because you're inspiring others." Traoré stood still. "So this is about fear?" "No," Kouassi said. "It's about control." Then came the twist. The general leaned in and said, "Do you know where Daniel Kane is now?" Traoré nodded in a bunker. "Being interrogated." Kouassi shook his head. "Number, he escaped last night, with help from inside your own government." Back in Ouagadougou, alarms were already going off. Daniel Kane, the captured American spy, had broken out. Guards found 2 men drugged in the basement. The surveillance cameras had been cut for exactly 6 minutes. No one saw who let him out, but they found something else. A note left in Traoré's personal war room. It said, "You can stop the foot soldiers, but the generals are already bought." At the border, Traoré's phone buzzed. He picked it up. The voice of his intelligence chief came through, shaky. "Sir, Kane is gone, and someone from inside helped him escape." Traoré didn't flinch. He just looked at General Kouassi and said, "Then I'll stop playing chess. From now on, we fight face to face." He turned around and walked back to the SUV. But before stepping in, he said one more thing. "Tell Ouattara, I'm not afraid of shadows. I'm the storm that walks in daylight." And with that, he crossed back into Burkina Faso. But deep inside, he knew the real battle was just beginning because someone close to him, maybe even someone he saw every day, was working for the other side. 2 days had passed since President Ibrahim Traoré returned from the border. The palace Wayson high alert. Guards rotated every 2 hours. All entrances were scanned. Noon was trusted, not even long-time staff. But the most troubling thing, Daniel Kane, the American spy, had disappeared without a trace. No footprints, no satellite, pings, no border crossings. That could only mean one thing. He's still in the country, Traoré told his intelligence team, and someone is hiding him. Traoré didn't call an emergency meeting. He didn't shout. He didn't trust anyone. Instead, he launched Operation Tinga, a secret sweep of his own government run by a hand-picked team of Red Lions loyal only to him. For 3 nights, they watched ministers. They tapped phones. They listened in on whispered conversations. And finally, one man kept coming up, Minister of Defense, Colonel Hamidou Sangare, a hero during the Sahel battles, promoted by Traoré himself, respected, calm, always quiet, too quiet. On the 4th night, a Red Lion agent followed Sangare's car after midnight. It didn't go to his home. It didn't go to the defense HQ. It went to an abandoned colonial mansion on the edge of the city. The lights were off. but through a cracked window, the agent saw something chilling. Daniel Caney, alive, unshaven, still wearing his wrist tracker, drinking tea with Sangha. The spy had never left. He had been protected by one of the highest men in the country. Traoré received the intel at 2:04 a.m. He didn't speak. He didn't blink. He simply said, "We move at 3 night quiet. No shots unless I give the order." At 2:57 a.m., 3 unmarked vehicles surrounded the old mansion. Traoré himself led the entry team. They burst through the back door, flashlights off, steps silent. Inside the living room, Kane was just picking up his phone when the lights came on. He froze. Across the room, President Traoré stood with a pistol aimed straight at his head. "Didn't think I'd find you this fast, did you?" Traoré said. Kane didn't answer. He looked towards Sanare, who was already handcuffed by a red lion. The general, who didn't beg. He just looked at Traoré and whispered, "They promised peace." Traoré stepped closer. "Peace doesn't come from betrayal. You gave our coordinates. You let them in. You almost sold this country for a handshake." Kane finally spoke. "You're smart, Traoré. But this won't end with me. There are others outside and inside. You think you're in control, but you're just slowing down what's already coming." Traoré leaned in close. "Then I'll slow it down with fire and bury it before it touches our soil." As Kane and Sangha were taken away, one final item was found on Thetable, a printed map showing military bases in Burkina Faso, Niger, Mali, and Ghana. At the top was a logo, a private American security company. At the bottom, Phase 3, Regional Stabilization. Traoré stared at the Papa and said, "This was never just about me. This is about the whole region. They want to redraw Africa." He turned. "Unto his aid. Call a meeting with Mali and Niger tonight, no delays, because Traoré now understood something terrifying. The plot wasn't finished. It was just the first test. The real war was about to begin. The air was thick in Ouagadougou. Something was changing, not just in the palace, but across all of West Africa, inside a heavily guarded war room. President Ibrahim Traoré stood at the center of a long table. On his left, an officer from Mali. On his right, a commander from Niger. For the first time in years, the 3 countries were united as one force. "We face the same enemy." Traoré said, "They come with papers, money, and sweet words. But behind those words are weapons, spies, and chains." He tapped on the table. A large screen lit up, showing a secret map seized from Daniel Kane. The map had red dots across Africa. Some inside army bases, others near gold mines, telecom towers, and media stations. "This is not just about Burkina Faso," Traoré said. "This is about a foreign plan to control the entire region, and it ends now." That same night, Traoré ordered Operation Dignity, a secret joint operation between Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger. The mission: seize all foreign-controlled spy stations, freeze hidden bank accounts, expose the private military networks working in West Africa. But there was one final task: Daniel Caney. He was being held in a maximum security cell beneath the palace. This time he wasn't smug, he wasn't smiling, he was quiet. As Traoré entered the room, Kane stood up. "Back again?" he asked. "For the last time," Traoré replied. Kane looked tired. "You think you've won?" Traoré stepped forward. "I didn't come here to win. It came to finish what you started." He pulled out a file and threw it on Thetable. Inside were photos, recordings, and documents proving Kane's ties to multiple failed coups across Africa, not just in Burkina Faso. Liberia, Guinea, Chad. Kane looked down, then back up. "This was never personal." "It is now," Traoré replied. "You came into my country. You tried to end my life. You bought my friends. You whispered in the ears of traitors. And still here I stand because I am not your puppet, and Burkina Faso will never bow." Just then, a TV inside the room lit up across Africa. News stations, We're broadcasting live. The world was watching. Traore looked into the camera and spoke directly to every African watching this. We are done being told what to do. Done being ruled from afar. Done being played like pieces on someone else's board. Today we end the silence. We expose every hand behind our suffering, and we take back what is ours, our land, our voice, our future. As his words echoed across the continent, cheers erupted in villages and cities. People waved flags, fighters saluted, even elders in the countryside cried. But in a quiet base far away, someone else was watching too. A foreign official in a dark suit picked up a phone and said, "He made it through. Cancel the operation. We'll find another way." Back in the cell, Traore turned to Cain and said, "You came to break a country, but you made it stronger. Now go tell them we're awake and we are not afraid anymore."
Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jí gìrì. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gba òmìnira tiwa. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jí gìrì. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gba òmìnira tiwa. Òmìnira ni Yorùbá fẹ́ o nílẹ̀ bàbá wa. Òmìnira ni Yorùbá fẹ́ o nílẹ̀ bàbá wa. Ọmọ aláṣọ ò gbọ́dọ̀ wá kìsà.